Hello everyone from How Robusters. I am Eric and
I am Alice.
And today we're going to do an unboxing of a PSU from EVGA, the 650 G3. Right. So can you tell us a bit about this PSU?
Of course.
It's 80 plus gold.
It's 80 plus gold, yeah. In the
what about the cybernetic scale?
Yeah, I was about to say that. In the cybernetic scale, it scores an ETA-A in efficiency, and when it comes to noise, it is LAMBDA-A minus. In general, it's a silent PSU, much more silent compared to the G2 model.
Which is the previous series?
Yeah, it's the previous series. Those one, in a snap, compared to the G2 units, the new G3 have smaller dimensions.
So it's more compact?
They are more compact, yeah.
Okay.
And they have a fluid dynamic bearing fan compared to the double ball bearing that the G2 had. So they are more silent as well.
Made in China?
Everything is made in China nowadays.
Okay, let's see what's in the box.
Yeah.
Do you want to say anything else about, let's say, the box has a lot of information outside?
I don't care about the box, what it is.
Yeah, you don't.
It's all marketing crap most of the times.
Yeah, but something matters out of it. For example...
Tell me, what do you believe that it matters in this box?
The watts. The watt capacity, for example. How noisy it is, which we cannot find it, yeah. Because there's no lambda, the score in cybernetic scale, for example. So...
Does it tell about the warranty? The warranty in those units, it's 10 years long.
Which is quite a bit.
Yeah.
And how much did you say it cost?
About the warranty. It costs $80 right now, but you know the PSU prices are like stocks.
Yeah.
They go up and down all the time.
It depends on the demand.
So we have it.
Yeah. I think I spoke more this time.
Yeah, indeed. Right, Velcro straps. User's manual.
Yeah.
It's common between the 550 and 650 watt models.
And from what I saw earlier, there is the components inside for each unit.
What's in the box?
Described, yeah.
Description.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't confuse me. Okay, these are the cables in the bag.
The cables, fully sleeved of course.
Black.
They have extra ripple filtering capacitors, the PCI Express ATX and EPS cable.
They do what?
They have some capacitors. You see this bulky thing over here?
Yes.
It hides some capacitors. Okay. It's
For
better performance.
Okay. Does it really work?
There's not enough room in the PSB of this unit for more capacitors.
So they took them out of it and put them in there.
They didn't put
any of it. Yeah, that's what I mean.
It has capacitors here, but they wanted more, so they put some more here in the cables.
It's a good thought.
Not so good thought because it makes the cables too rigid. If you see, too stiff the cables to work with. Look how bulky
So
this
if something
is.
happens to this cable and you remove it and you put
another cable,
will it matter with this PSU?
You will have worse ripple suppression if you don't use any extra filtering caps. Not so much.
Okay.
Well, stealth cables, not ribbon style because of the capacitors, mostly. This is a PSU jump starter. The AC power cord, EU type, the rest of the cables, and that's it.
Mounting screws?
Yeah, fixing bolts, okay. The pouch is nice, like it.
Yeah. I think this is stamped? No.
No, don't care.
No, okay. But it's the same with this, with gold letters.
2 packing foam pieces. Good protection overall.
Yeah. Unless you hit it right here.
Yeah.
Like a karate move.
I like the back. It's nice. You see, very compact dimensions.
Indeed.
Very compact dimensions. And in matter of fact, 140 millimeter diameter fan couldn't fit in, so they used a very peculiar, I could say, fan.
I haven't seen this one.
Yeah, no, you haven't.
No.
Haven't made a video of this yet.
No, I mean the inside of the.
The fan.
Yes.
It uses some special design
And
fan blades.
it has the same design with this one.
Yeah.
Inside.
I don't think that those
Stamped on it.
fan blades do anything
Special.
other than impress. Yeah.
It did make an impression on me.
To you?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I was talking about the fan. It has 130 millimeters diameter, which is very odd for a PSU. Actually, this is the only PSU I know of that it uses this fan diameter.
Would it fit a bigger one?
No, there's no room. There's no room
130s?
for a bigger one. It uses a fluid dynamic bearing, so it's very silent fan, and on top of that, it's controlled by a very loose fan profile. And of course, it has a selectable semi-passive operation mode, which controlled through this switch. This is the control switch, the AC socket, honeycomb
Grill.
exhaust
Exhaust
grill,
grill, yes.
yeah, punched fan grill.
Yes.
What else?
This is the modular,
Fully modular
panel.
The fully modular panel doesn't have many sockets.
Yes, indeed, it doesn't.
Doesn't, yeah. What I find not so good about this PSU, it only has one EPS connector, while its ancestor, the 650 G2, has two EPS connectors. It also has 3 PCI connectors.
Yeah, I read it.
This is really weird to have 3. You either use 2 or 4.
So it's
In
off.
this capacity range, yeah, 3 it's a little bit strikes a bit odd. And the G2, the similar capacity G2, had 4. So this is a step backwards. Yeah.
What could go wrong with this?
You cannot use too high-end graphics cards with this PSU because it has 3 PCI Express connectors. Usually high-end VGAs have 2 PCI demand, 2 PCI Express connectors each.
So it matters if it's on the box.
What?
For someone. That one. This detail.
This information.
Yes, of course.
I don't know, it might be.
For somebody who has a special.
No, it is written in the box. Campus
So
included.
it matters.
Campus included. Yeah, this matters, but it's, as you can see, it's very small letters.
Yeah.
So.
So the devil is in the details again.
Always.
Always.
Power specifications label. Nothing out of the ordinary here. In 2 sides. Serial number, part number, etc. etc. It's here, along with a model number.
And the chassis is.
The chassis has a nice finish, semi-matte, I would say. It doesn't leave easily fingerprints. I don't know if it's scratched.
Nah.
With my fingernails, no.
Should I try with mine?
No.
I think that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Please subscribe.